Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and pay monthly with Afterpay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply get into our video. So for that matter, let's just first access our afterpay.com on our website and get into the official website and create yourself an Afterpay account. Once you have registered and signed up for it, all you have to do is you should know that Afterpay is simply a payment method which lets you pay monthly, which includes the two options, which includes 6 months and or 12 months. You can choose according to your need. For that, first you gotta choose your particular product, right? Once you have got yourself that product, you can simply go ahead, tap on the shop, right? Once you tap on the shop, simply again tap on the shop now and tap on this add to cart, and now it will give us this option of checkout. Now here in this checkout section, whenever you are over here, all you have to do is simply tap on this up checkout again, and here in this section you can see, first of all, you gotta enter your email and confirm and continue for that. Otherwise, you can see the total amount of over there. Once you have confirmed it, you will be able to choose the monthly, 6-month pay or 12-month pay, and you will confirm and you will be paying that for monthly. And apart from shopping in Afterpay itself, whenever you try to do any of the online website and the shopping websites, you go there, and if they support Afterpay as one of their payment methods, you're gonna go to a payment method again, just like you use any of the other payment method, let's debit and credit card, your PayPal, and etc. If it supports Afterpay, you will see it in the list. Tap on Afterpay, choose your monthly payments, however you will like, and confirm it. Your monthly pay will be divided accordingly. It also depends on the store. Once it has been divided, you will be able to pay for that like that over there. That is simply the way for you to do so. It is also available in the app version. You can go to your Play Store or App Store, install the app, create account, and start browsing. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.